شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا.
Start, what are you doing? I am David. Wait, why are you stopping me? What I am not doing like this. Wait, I David, I like this every day. No, there's a wrong way to do it. What am? So, what is the right way? Can you tell me? Let's know. I will tell you the right way to do it. What am? What the right way steps with the I didn't know about it. Thanks for telling me. From now on, I will drink water according to the scientific example.